Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I built this beautiful modern bench. I'll have all the information you need and all the plans in this video, so follow me. I hope you like it and let's begin. I already pre-cut my pieces. You can pause the video to see exactly what you need. As you can see right here, I have 1x6 at 72 inches, 2x4 at 69 inches, 2x4 at 72 inches, 2x4 at 31 inches, 2x4 at 24 inches, 2x4 at 25.5 inches, 2x4 at 21 inches, and 2x4 at 18 inches and 1/4. The next thing you will need is exterior screws, as you can see right here, 2 inches, and exterior screws at 2.5 inches long. And you can find them Home Depot or whatever. And then you will need some glue. I got some Gorilla Glue, but you can get the regular wood glue. And that's it. And get your drill. And let's get to it. Alright guys, in step 1 we will build this frame right here. As you can see, there's 72 inches 2x4s and 5 21 inches long 2x4s. Just use the glue and then 2-inch screws, put them on the side, and I'll show you a diagram right now. You can pause it and look at it, the measurements. Alright guys, as you can see, it's done. Step 1. Like I said, get the screws and put them in here, 2 inches, and glue in the middle. In the next step, we're gonna put the legs, as you can see right here in the diagram I'll show you, and you're gonna use a 31 inch right there, 31 inch, that's gonna be the back, and then a 24 inch and 24 inch in the front. Alright guys, it turned out like this. The 31 inch in the back, as you can see right here, and then the 24 inches right here. Now we're gonna put the arms. Get your 25.5 inches piece of wood and put it on top like that. And we'll see how it looks in a second. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the arms done. They look stable and good. I used 2.5 inch screws in the back to make it more secure. So the next step, you're gonna use the 24 inch wood pieces, 2 of them. You're gonna put them on the side right here to secure the legs, to make them stronger. You're gonna put them 5 inch off the ground, as you can see it on the diagram, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, we got the bottom piece done. As you can see it, nice and secure. Make sure it's stable and all even looking. Now we're gonna get the middle piece right here on the bottom. It's 69 inches. It's gonna be right in the middle. I see that middle piece. It's gonna connect over there, as you can see it on the diagram right now. And let's just do it. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the middle piece done. It was a little pain in the butt, but you're gonna have to flip it to side and get some help, and you can do it. The next step is gonna be getting the last 3 pieces that are left, the 18 1/4, and put them right here. 3 of them. Go 1, 2, and 3, as you can see it on the diagram right now. So let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the back pieces, 3 of them, evenly done. Sorry guys, my camera died, so I had to finish it, and now it's a little darker than it was, but here it is guys. I put the top 1x6 on it, you see it, and then I used the 2-inch nails. I just got them in there, and I'll show you the diagram, and you can see it, how it looks, and you can space it out. You can see, very happy how it turned out to be. You gotta, next thing you want to do is a wood filler, and fill all the holes where the nails are at, and then sand it, and then use the wood conditioner or the primer, make it nice, and then use the paint and paint it if you want to. I'll be posting everything in down the description, all the information you need. So guys, I finally finished it. We're happy with the results. Originally I was planning on staining it, but then changed my mind and painted it. Before you paint, just make sure you use wood conditioner. I'll post a link in the description of type of wood conditioner you can use. And then I use this paint right here. It already have the primer and weather protection, so I didn't have to use anything else, so worked out well. And that's it guys. I hope you liked it. Please comment below if you have any questions. Definitely help you out. And we're happy overall with this project, and see you later.